Good morning, good morning. Good morning, people. It's a beautiful Friday, NFP Friday. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? As you can see, I'm already in this trade. I had to went ahead and take advantage of taking this early. And y'all let me know if my mic is too low or is my music too loud because I adjusted it. Y'all let me know. Alright, this is the day. What's going on? Good morning. It's kind of low. Okay. Alright, what about now? What about now? Testing, testing. Is the music loud? How is the music? Because for some reason, it's like my music was loud in my last video, and I just want to make sure everything's straight before I start. Y'all let me know if y'all can hear me good. It's cool? Okay, cool. The music cool too? If the music too loud, let me know so I can turn it down. Good morning, y'all. What's up, Ron? What's up, Michelle? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Mic a little bit? Okay. Alright, I turn it up. Turn it up. Good morning, Reese. Why my chat ain't working? Good morning, beautiful people. Y'all see I'm in this trade. Michelle and Reese, y'all, I got a story to tell y'all. I have a story to tell y'all about this him. So I took it on my Top Step account too. The music is cool. Okay, cool. I'm trying to figure out why my chat not showing up now. So let me Anybody took some trades this morning? I thought I saw in the chat. Michelle, you took something. I know you took something this morning. I'm trying not to chicken out this trade, man. It took out this high right here. Not yet? Oh, okay. Yeah, it took out this high. I'm trying not to chicken out, y'all. This is my setup, though. It's my setup to the SMT. Have a fair value gap here. It did dip in here. I didn't like the way it dipped, but it still ended up bouncing off. Took a buy. What up, Grave? What up? What up? What up, people? My people here. What's up? What's up? Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. You scalped it? Okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I do have a scripture for you. I do have a scripture for this morning. In and out quick. I think it's trying to come back down to this 2-minute gap. This a 1 minute. I think it's trying to pull back. I'm trying to hold it. I'm trying so hard to hold it and not just get out because of the inefficiency up here. This gap, I think it's just gonna come up. That's why I have my TP up here. I think it's just gonna go ahead and fill in that gap right there. I'm gonna wait for like 5 to 10 more people to come in here so I can read my scripture I have for this morning. I'm trying to figure out why my chat ain't pulling up. Oh, you know what? Hold on, let me refresh it. I think that's probably what I have to do. Good morning, y'all. What is up? It's NFP. I went ahead and tried to catch something early. It's pulling back. Cause I feel like once it hit 10 o'clock, it's just gonna do something crazy, bro. So I'm trying, went ahead and got in early. But I feel like it's trying to come back in here and tap into this 2-minute fair value gap. So I'm gonna hold it. I got my risk set. That's how much I'm wanting to risk. So I'm just gonna let it run. Try my best to let it run. But this is my setup here. It already took the previous daily low last night. So this what made me confident in getting in this trade, because it already took the low over here and it took the high. So I really didn't wait for it to take out a low or a high. I just saw my setup and I just got in, because you know the low and the high has already been taken. This is the high of the day, because it already took out the high. It left the high here from 6:10 this morning. So this like the high of the day so far, and this will be considered the low of the day, but it's a previous weekly low down here. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying to hold it. But I think I might end up getting out because the way it's pulling back. But I really got in with this macro too, this 850 macro, when it bounced off this right here. Yeah, I think it's trying to come back and tap into this 2-minute gap, man. Price always have to come down and pull back. But I put my risk, I set my risk. It's like I'm trying to trying to hold it. But it did end up consolidating. But I feel like it's just too much inefficiency from that NFP candle for it not to go back up and tap into that. It's just too much. It's like a whole imbalance right there. And on ES right here on the 15, it tapped in it. So I just feel like it's just going to go up. And it's a midnight open. The midnight open is up there too, which it already kind of consolidated around when it came straight out of Asian session right here on ES. My risk is set. I'm just gonna try to let it run. How y'all doing this morning though? It's Friday. We had a little breaky break yesterday. Had a little breaky break. I do have a scripture. It's Psalm 27:27-1. The Lord is my light and my salvation, so why should I be afraid? The Lord is my fortress, protecting me from danger. Why should I tremble? Stay prayed up. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. You feel me? Just let the Lord fight your battles. But you gotta trust in Him though. That's the main thing. But that's the scripture for the day. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put that in my Discord. Oh, also, Monday my Discord will be officially a paid chat, cause we finna take off. We finna have mad value. Like we finna take off. I got some of my people in here. We locked in. So if you want to be in the Discord is free until Monday. So you have the weekend to get in the Discord. The link is in my bio, and I'm gonna put the link here in the chat too. I'm about to put it in here. But yeah, Psalm 27:1 is the scripture for the day this morning. I'm gonna try to do that when I stream on YouTube too. Yes, that's right. Acknowledge Him in all your ways, and He will direct your path. That's right. Yeah, Saturday, no, Sunday technically would be the last day to get in the Discord. So it's free until Sunday. So get on in. Pull up, pull up, pull up. It is free now, but it will be $25 a month on Monday. So if you want to be in the Discord for free, hop on in there. We're going to have some, we have a lot of plans for the Discord. What is it? Hello, can you explain about SMT? Yes. SMT is basically a low and a high that's kind of like catty-corner to each other. And this is what happened down here. When you see, let me move it right here. When you see like a low and then a high, or vice versa, if you see for sales, if you see a high and then you see a low, like right here, this can be an SMT right here. You see this high right here. Basically, just if you know about divergence, that's basically all it is. Wasawa. I'm just gonna say Hassan. Is that okay? I don't want to mispronounce your first name. But yeah, I went ahead and took this trade because of 3 reasons. It was an 850 macro, it was an SMT, and then the fair value gap. So I always have 3 reasons to get in the trade. And see, it just took this high right here. But yeah, those are my 3 reasons to get in a trade. And this is like my setup. Like if you've been following me for a while, this is mainly all my setups. This is the same setup that I take. Now it may be a wedge. Like sometimes if I see a wedge, then I like get it. Like why is it doing that, man? Like why? But a wedge is like another one of my setups too. See, it took this high and then dropped. That's why it dropped so drastically like that, because it took this high. But it's still left this 2-minute gap up here. So I'm gonna give it some little time. Cause it just got this, it has to fill in this whole candle right here. So that's another reason. So technically that's 4 confluences why I got in. There's a whole imbalance right here. It's that NFP candle. And here we go. Have to be okay with the risk, guys. Have to be okay with the risk and let your trade run. I know Michelle is cringing right now. Have to be okay with the risk. I just got in. I got in an early trade though. I would normally trade between 950, 1010, and 950 macro. So I wanted to give it a chance to hit that gap from the 2-minute. I know you're cringing right now. But sometimes you gotta set it, and you just gotta set your stop loss, and like Tanya Trade, she say hands off the mouse. So my risk is set. That's the risk that I will set, have set for this trade. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. But this is my setup. You gotta live and die by your setup. Sometimes I don't always do that though. Sometimes I get out, get back in, get out, like I did last night. Get out, get back in, get out. You can't. This is too much, bro. It's like either you lose, you hold it, you lose, or you win. You gotta take that risk. That's the let it play out. Yeah, she banged her teeth right now. Especially when it was up here. Journal. Oh yeah. Man, anybody have a Windows computer on how to take screenshots the easier route? Because this right here, this is just too freaking tedious for me to do. Look at all this. I just want to be able to screenshot it just like I do on my MacBook and call it a day. I have to do all this typing and all that while I'm in trade. That's too much. So if anybody knows a simpler way to take screenshots on a Windows computer, please let me know. Cause goodness, that is too much. Come on, man. Give me $1, man. Yeah, y'all remember that, John? Y'all remember that little boy said, "Give me $1, man." Was it a little boy? It was somebody that said that. He said, "Give me $1, man." Give me $1. That's what I'm saying to the market. Give me $1, man. I don't know how to take screenshots on my laptop. I just take pics of my. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about doing. Is opening up my MacBook and then just open it up on TradingView and just screenshotting it. I might end up doing that because it'll be so much quicker if I do that because it just taking so much away from it. Oh, look at the way it wicked down there on the 5 though. That's just ugly. It's gonna end up stopping me out. But I'm gonna trust in my setup though. I'm gonna trust in it. I'm gonna trust in my setup. If I lose, I lose. We heading up to a 950 macro in a minute, in about 20 something minutes. What kind of laptop you have, Reese? I ain't gonna lie, if you got like a HP or something, I can't even help you, bro. I can't even help you. I don't know. I know how to take them on a Mac, but it's just so difficult with Windows, bro. It's so difficult. I feel like it's gonna be a trade to where it stopped me out and I end up getting back in. That's just ugly. My risk is set. Oh, okay. Yeah, my MacBook is holding on by a thread. My MacBook is like a freaking 2015, I think. My MacBook is old. It still work though. Gotta keep it plugged up. Seems like it want to sell so bad. I feel like it's hunting my stop loss though in a sense. Oh yeah. I want to buy a new one too, but you know, them things expensive. You better off getting one off like Facebook Marketplace or something like that.
Order filled.
Yep, just got stopped out. Yep, seek and destroy. That's exactly what happened, Reese. That's exactly what happened. But like I said, that was my setup, so I mean, it is what it is. Live and die by the setup. It's the higher time frame sell side that I marked. And it took previous daily high and it took previous daily low. We said this last night though. I said that it's gonna target these lows. I just thought it was gonna go up real quick, like to fill in the rest of that, filling that NFP candle. Yeah. Yeah, I do, Reese. Yeah, I followed my rules. Yep. Cause it's like it done took a high, it took the previous daily high and the low already, so that's what made me take that. It just took out these lows. I'm gonna wait for 950. Good morning, good morning. Thank y'all for tuning in. It's NFP Friday. Just took a L. Yeah, I just took a L. I took trades. I took the trade on both accounts. This is my setup. Boom. It bounced off of this. And then it just ended up just coming right back down. But I still feel like it's gonna fill in all this. It's that NFP candle, so I think it's gonna fill it in. But it tapped into it. But it just tapped into it and just dropped, of course. Yeah, it didn't even fill it in all the way. It's not even at the 50% of this candle on the 5-minute. So it is what it is. Yeah, it's about to take all these lows out down here for sure. Especially this one. Sure. 209.83. 983. Oh, okay. Good morning. Good morning, trading guy. 21,050 area. Yeah, probably after it takes out this low right here. Yeah, 21. Cause it just took out these lows right here. Ooh, I'm punching back or something. I just tapped into this gap. It's that 2-minute fair value gap right here. We'll see how this reacts, but I'm gonna wait until the 950 macro though. Might end up catching a setup for sales. Cause it just tapped into this 2-minute gap here, so I'm like 6 minutes away from the macro. Let me see what that's looking like. And it's a previous weekly low down here. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna drop. But then again, prices do that, and then it won't even touch it, and then it'll just place higher. But good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning. It's like I would want to hop in sales. I just don't like the way it wicked after it took this low. 41. I'm gonna wait for the macro. I don't wanna hop in too early, bro. Got about 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't like the way it took out this low and then it just wicked it like that. But how y'all doing this morning though? Y'all alright? Yeah, ES wicking too down there. I don't like the way it's doing that. But it did tap off of this 2 minute again. Good morning, Michael. Dang, maybe I should have kept that doggone. Yeah, it's news at it's medium impact news at 10. Yeah. Dang, I took away that sales stop. I took it off. I wanted to wait until 10:50. I mean not 10:50, 9:50. It done took these lows. I just didn't like the way it rejected, like it wicked right here. Now I just want to take this low out. And it was like another gap right here that it rejected off of too. So dang, bro. I had a sell stop right there. It's about to take out last week's low. Michelle, did you take that? It was a wedge right there. It broke out. I hate when I see stuff after the fact. But yeah, it was a wedge right there. Oh, you didn't? Okay, I don't feel too bad now. That's crazy though. I marked off this high time frame sell side liquidity like weeks ago. And it's finally about to go down there. Couldn't get an entry. Nobody said deliver. What do you think? Well, yeah, for sure. Yeah, JC. To my JC. J Mike. Up 97. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, I took a L on this delivery right here when it delivered the SMT and then it just curved down. I had a self stop place here, but I took it off. It's all good though. Oh, it's a monthly low down here. Previous monthly low. What a monthly low on the ass. Yeah, it's gonna take last week's high. I mean last week low and last month low on ES. Dang, man, I didn't even see that till just now. Cause I had it hovered over that high time frame right here. Dang. It's officially 9:50. Is it going to be a reversal? Is it gonna displace higher or not? Is this a SMT? Hmm. 50% bullish, 25% bearish, 25% neutral. Oh wow. Hmm. Have some bullish people. 50%. Okay, just the 1 minute. I was on the 2 minute because it just looked a little cleaner. Yeah, it's looking like a reversal, but it could be tapping into this gap and it could drop. It's 3 minute for value gap and it can drop. We're already done tapped into it now. Yeah, it just did. But I feel like it got the, I don't know, there's some imbalance up there too. I gotta wait for like a huge bullish candle and then for it to tap back in it or something. Yeah, see, it just tapped into it and it dipped. Remove this now, and then took it out. Remove this and I took that low. I can do this though, so I can see it. Alright, so it just tapped into this 2 minute fair value gap right here. Ooh, and I think it tapped the 50% of that perfectly too. Okay, no, it didn't hit the 50%, but it tapped it. Continue to drop. That's a gap that won't fill. Was that a volume imbalance? Yes, indeed. Okay, that's too. It is a volume imbalance, but it's just too small right now for me to mark it. Anybody in sales right now? get a clean setup. Yeah, I feel you, Michelle. I feel you. Whew, it's a little chilly. Good morning, everybody. 16 people here. Tell me where you're from if you're new. If you're new. Discord link in the bio is free. Sunday is the last day to get in for free. It will be a paid chat starting Monday. We have big plans for the Discord. We had a dope Asian session last night. We was on the call last night, just chilling, vibing, studying, trying to get better. You feel me? I don't know, man. I think we got a sneaky link, sneaky reversal coming. Yep, grave for sure. That's what I'm waiting on too. But I'm just watching for right now. I already took a L today, so I'm just trying to be a little bit more cautious. Because when I look at ES just look like it want to take these lows out. Last week low and last month low. So those are some key areas. Man, bruh. I am so tired of TradingView always disappearing. My excuse me. One of my indicators. My Power 3 indicator. Where is it at, man? Dang, always anybody else's do that? Them little arrows. Oh yeah, you can. You can take that. What you talking about on what, Michelle? Because if you trade on TradingView, you can take that off. Yeah, you gotta go on your settings on your chart and uncheck it. You trade on Trading View? Oh shoot. Oh okay. Medium impact what? That is not medium impact. That is high impact. Yeah, that's definitely not medium impact. That was a major cap because it's expired. Okay, hold on a second. Oh my goodness. Wow. That ain't no medium impact there. What was that? UOM. It catch me every time. Yeah, yeah, UOM. Okay, got you. Yeah, you gotta uncheck that. I don't understand why my link is expired though. It shouldn't be expired. Yeah, I gotta wait for all of that to die down before I even think about getting another trade. Oh no. Look at that, man. And it took out the previous weekly low. ES took out the previous monthly low. I don't see the monthly low on NAS. I gotta look at my settings to see if I have it on here. Yeah, it must be further down. Dang, man. When people always say you can't regret your trades or say I shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I did have a sell stop right here, man. I took it off because of these wicks, and I thought when it came down here, it was gonna just wick up and probably displace higher, but obviously I was wrong. But it'd be so easy. It'd be so easy when you look at it in retrospect. You're like, oh yeah, price did this, price, but in real time, it's different. Yeah, paper pusher. Yeah, for sure. That UOM gets me every time. I put it in my journal. I put it in my journal months ago that UOM is not medium impact, it's high impact, and it caught me again. Cause I wouldn't have taken a trade until after 10 anyway. So now we in the 10 o'clock silver bullet time. It is after 10. So I've been looking for a silver bullet between 10 and 11. So we're basically waiting. Yeah, waiting for like a reversal of some sort. Cause like it's like in a sense you want to trade with the trend, but it have been dropping all freaking night. It have been dropping. Well, it consolidated, but while it was consolidating, you see how it was like slowly dropping as it was consolidating, and then it took the previous daily high, and then it dipped. So it's so many imbalances. So I think it's definitely gonna go back up and displace higher. But you just got to wait for time. Just gotta wait. That's all you can do. I'm trying to figure out why this link is expired. It shouldn't be. I don't know why it's saying it's expired. Like, there's not no expiration date on this. Expired ever. Never expired. That's the problem. What you're expiring the links for? Alright, paper pusher. The Discord link is up there now. It should be straight. Let me know if it's still saying it's expired, I regenerated it, so it should be straight now. We shall wait. Gotta let price calm down. And I thought it was gonna fill in the inefficiency from that NFP candle, man. Okay. That's what we're looking at here. Anybody caught that drop though? Anybody got in up here and held it? No, I think if somebody was holding it, they would have typed in the chat by now. I just wanna hear you say. Oh my god. What? Hey, Michelle, Reese, Grave. Y'all see, y'all remember I said it's equal lows down here? I didn't think it was gonna come all the way down there. What? Y'all think it's gonna come down here and take out these equal lows from October? Wow. Yep. Took out these lows, taking out this low right now. Just took out this low that I just. That's crazy. Nah, I don't think it's gonna come all the way down here. Wow. Yeah, you right. The market is marketing for sure, Michelle. For sure. I don't even think even if it do displace higher, it's gonna be a freaking it ain't gonna last long the way it's dropping. That's what we got. Meow, meow, meow. So we wait. Yep, we sure did. Sure did, Grave. We sure did. That low. Oh wait, that's on the wrong one. Yep. Yep, that's what we talked about last night in the Asian session. These lows being taken and it just took it out. So that was just the front. This little displacement, all that was a front. It was capping. And this gap here, it capped, man. Liar. Let me see if ES had some equal lows on the is that on the daily? Yup, ES got them equal lows too. I marked it. Working at the car wash, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, we'll have no choice but to watch this right here. I mean, it ain't really. I'm not about to hop in nothing right now. That macro is officially over with. 950 macro. Obviously, that was the that was the freaking trade right there off that. Get so distracted on reversals though, but it's like you really have to keep that in mind when you taking trades though. It's like if you bullish, you got to kind of look at sales. If you bearish, you kind of got to look and see, okay, if price were to reverse. I was waiting for a displacement because it was like, okay, is it an SMT? And then it ended up just dropping off of this 2 minute gap. So it's like missed a good setup looking for buys, but then it's like if I would have gotten in right here, like where my stop loss would have been. Way up here. That's a 90 pip stop loss if I were to take it off of this candle, because in this fair value gap, I do the second candle for my stop loss. Basically the candle that creates the gap, I put my stop loss above that candle. That's a 83 pip stop. No. So it would have been a crazy stop loss. That just would have been like a trade just to hop in just because it was a gap right there. And those trades are dangerous to get in. That trade, it just ended up, good morning T-Money, that it just ended up playing out. You know what I'm saying? You dig what I'm saying, bro? But yeah, that stop loss, it hit that, but that stop loss would have to been way up here. That's just not logical. But it worked out though. It worked out. I mean, it's the one of them risky trades. Because the candle, it dropped so long. Yeah, that stop loss would have had to been way up here. We shall wait. Let me see, T Money. What did you catch? Did you catch? Let me see. I know you trade 930 open. Did you get caught up in this? I was in buys. I took a L earlier. Of this SMT. Well, this fake SMT anyway. And this 1 minute gap. But this a 2 minute. Ended up inverting the 2 minute gap. I mean, that was a fake. It was a fake trade, basically. There's so many targets though going up to the upside. So many. This high, this high, this high. I mean, take profits for days. And for the sell side, you got this internal sell side liquidity that I marked on the 4 hour, and then these equal lows. So these are the targets down here. Let me look at US 30 real quick. I just want to see. It's like an hourly strategy that I was looking at on US 30 that it respects like fair value gaps. Like if it were to come up here and tap into this and drop. Oh man, yeah. Yep, T Money, the data highs, yeah, the high, that NFP candle. Yep. That's what I was aiming for. Yeah, so you basically got caught up in what I had got caught in. This was my setup right here. Not that. I got in because of this SMT, and well, before that 2 minute kind of correlated, it was a gap right here. I think I had got in somewhere. No, actually, it was right here. And I had got in, and then this one it dipped, and then it went back up. And then it kept reversing off of the 2 minute, this 2 minute gap. It formed a 2 minute fair value gap, and then it kept rejecting it. And then it just was like, you know what? I can't take it anymore. And then it just dropped. And I thought I was gonna take the high, the data high, that high candle off the NFP. That's what I was targeting too. Yeah. T Man, are you in the Discord? The Discord link, the free Discord is in the chat. It's completely free. It will be paid starting Monday. Because I'm going to start locking in. I'm going to start doing back testing sessions. We're going to start studying. We about to get it in. It's 2025, but we got to get these payouts. We got to start putting some money in some live accounts. You feel me? We're going to hold everybody. We're going to hold each other accountable. That's what I meant to do. I forgot to put an accountability chat. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to do that later on today. Top shelf. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, okay, I see you. Cool. Got you. Good. I want all my day ones in there. Y'all been rocking with me, man. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, the deadline is Sunday. Then it'll be $25 a month. So if you're not in the Discord, hop in the Discord. 2025 finna be our year. I'm telling you. You gotta speak it. Gotta speak it, man. Gotta speak it. Verse for today was Psalm 27:1. I'm gonna put that in my Discord too. Psalms 27:1. It says to join Discord. I don't have permission to join. Man, see, that's what I'm saying. It shouldn't be doing that. Well, somebody had joined at 10:05. You don't have permission. That's crazy. Alright, hold on a second. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me what's good? Rich off the dip. I got something in my eye. You should be in there. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Yeah, man, y'all hop on in there. Alright, are we getting a displacement? I mean, sheesh. Go to the 1 minute. Ooh, the 1 minute. It's not really giving opportunity, but the 2 minute. Not 2 minute either. Okay, we got some type of gap. Hold on a little while longer. I gotta go back to labeling these gaps, man, because I be getting confused. Y'all think it's gonna displace lower? Y'all think it's gonna tap into this gap and drop? What y'all think? Well, shoot, it tapped into the 3 minute already. Man, this Georgia weather don't know what it want to do, man. It's freaking 20 degrees yesterday, and now it's like 60, 70. I don't know what to put the AC on, put the heat on, or the... It's crazy. When it's hot, when it's summertime, it's hot, it's hot. When it's wintertime, it's like bipolar. It don't ever be one temperature. It's always like hot, cold, medium, windy, cool. It's like... Okay, so it looks like it's gonna be like a 2 to 5 minute trade because the 1 minute is not really giving me what I want right now. Now this is the 1 minute fair value gap. So we have something. Okay, you are. I can't scout like that, man. I just can't. Just like you can't hold trades, it's just I don't know. It's like I don't know, man. It is a little gap right here on the 1 minute, but I be trying to like think, okay, maybe I can do that, but I don't know. I just don't like getting in and out. Like, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it though. If it works, it works. But I be trying like, I don't know. Okay, so at this point, I ain't stunning this. I'm waiting. I'm seeing. It's a 5 minute gap here. Well, we got 3 minutes. I'm not even gonna mark down to 5 because this candle got to close first. But I'm waiting to see a displacement for it to come down and tap and then push up. Push up. And he's got 30 points. That's cool, Amen. But yeah, it's filling in this inefficiency right here. So I'm just kind of waiting to see when it'll pull back. Got any heavy? Oh, okay. It's retesting this sell side liquidity that I marked right here. And we're rejecting off of it after it unbroke. I'm just trying to figure out where it's going to pull back, how far it's going to pull back, and then that pull back, then I want to get in for buys. But it depends. I'm just basically waiting on that reversal. 1 minute look a little weird. Wait, that's 2 minutes. Yeah, well, 1 minute look a little weird. I mean, I don't know. If you scout like that, I wouldn't say it's gambling. Cause Michelle in the chat, she do well ML trade, she do the same thing. But I don't think she getting heavy though. How many contracts you use? Now if you got in on like 10, 20, yeah, gambling. That's what I felt like I was doing last night. But it's like the contracts way differently on Asian session. So I was taking like 15 or 20 contracts, but it was equal to like 4 for New York session. So it just looked like I was just freaking over risking. Which I was though. I was over risking last night. Exactly. Yeah. If that's how you trade, then hey, shoot, no, it's not gambling. I'm waiting on a pullback. I'm just trying to figure out what gap it'll possibly pull back into. I'm just gonna base it off the 5 because it just looks cleaner to me. This candle about to close. Mm-hmm. No, I'm not in the trade. Yeah, that's the thing. Adapting, that's very important too. Cause like you don't want to have your mind set on one particular set way the whole freaking time, and then you just stuck. Oh, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. The market is clearly telling you, um, it's clearly telling you, I'm reversing. I'm reversing, but you're still trying to hold sell. You still, you know what I'm saying? So it's like that could be dangerous. Wait on the Yeah, if it were to pull back, I'll be looking for it to do this. Little scalpy scalp. Oh, that's what's up. You break structure here or display slower. Um, what I'm particularly looking for. I'm looking for this right here, and I wanted to do it on a 5 minute because it can be a fake out. Hopefully, like the 5 minute kind of shows some structure there, but it is a 1 minute gap right here. But yeah, yeah, you gotta wait for that. I think it's leaving without me. But my setup, it took out a low. It just didn't form. It just didn't really form a SMT when it took out the previous. Where did it go? There you go. When it took out the previous weekly low, it didn't really. Uh, yeah, patience. It didn't really form a SMT. So that's why it's kind of being careful because it took the previous weekly low, so it can come down and then form a SMT and then go higher. Basically a W, basically. Might as well wait for the 1050 macro at this point. 20 minutes. Oh shoot, it's 1034. Wait, shoot. I thought it was 1030. That's crazy. What was I just looking at? I thought it was 1030. What's up? What's up? If you new here, tell me where you from. We have 20 people in here. What's up? What's up? How y'all feeling? 9:30 to 12. You can easily get 30 points to leave. Yeah. What's up, Thurl? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Yeah, it's gonna. Ooh, look at it. Anytime you have that steep buy like that, it'll drop. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, hit that like button. Hit that like button and subscribe button. Free Discord in the chat. The link is in the chat, and my link is in the bio. Free Discord. Oh, I took an L earlier. I took an L earlier off this fake SMT setup right here. And then it just tanked after that. So, yeah, that was, I lost like 4. Well, 358. I thought it was more. I thought it was more than that. Well, I lost 400 and something on my top step, account. See, I took an L off of this fake SMT because I thought it was gonna take out them data highs from NFP. That's what I thought it was gonna be. You know, it's an imbalance right there. So I thought it was gonna go ahead and fill that in and just, that's all I wanted was that right there. But it didn't give it to me. The highest amount of points I ever won. Ooh. Well, my features days, not, I would say like 150 ticks, but Forex, yeah, it's over 200. Over 200 pips. Forex talking. Because that's when I used to swing trade. But I'll be up. What was getting me where I was up, but I wasn't really. I was up a whole bunch of ticks, but I wasn't up a lot in my account. Because I was using risk management, so I would be up like 200 pips, not only be up like $200. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, dang, bro, that was a good move. What I'm saying, trying to hold for $200, and it's like, and then like when I overheld, then it just ended up coming back down. So I was like, man, nah. So it's like I scout, but I don't. I don't scout like one candle, but I'll scout for like 50 to 100 ticks. That's basically how I scout. Sometimes it seems like it don't, you know, it be too long. And that's kind of what I'm battling right now in my trading. Like I'm battling like, okay, like say if I was in this buy right here, I'm looking for it to take this high out. Now I'll probably take a partial right here. It'll take the partial out, and then so it's like I just need more discipline when it comes to risk management, because that's how it was. No, I didn't catch the sell destiny. No, I actually did have a sell stop, but I canceled it because I thought it was gonna wick, because it wicked once it took these lows, and I thought it was gonna like displace higher, so I took it off. If I would have kept that sell stop, then yeah, I would have, you know, got up after it, and then after this doji and it went up. So, but it's all good though. You win some, you lose some, and you miss some too. You watch. I don't know who that is. Amen. I don't know who that is. It's rejecting off of this 2-minute again from earlier. Excuse me. I gotta break it right now. Sure. What's the secret? Ooh. Alright, 26 bullish, 58 bearish, 16 neutral. So this is like a weird displacement. Took out the low, pushed up, took this high like a displacement is supposed to do, and left this gap. But it's so high. The high was like super high. Focus your attention on accumulation, early morning clean accumulation. Pick out an opposite. Yeah, it's basically like a manipulation, right? Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. You trade like that, Thurl? That'll just confuse me too much. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's 2 minutes up here since it want to be so. Man, I ain't look for no setups on uh-huh. Oh. What you gonna do? Let me come for you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Exactly. Exactly, Thurl. It's so betraying. People think, oh yeah, buy stops, oh yeah. And then it just pew, crash and burn. Clean levels getting attacked first. High time frame, then reverse. Exactly. Cause it took these high time frame lows, the 4 hour. Look at that. It took these lows perfectly, came all the way down here, and then now we buying. Yup. And it's a 2 minute gap. Yep, 2 minute gap. Now it's trying to. I don't know. I'm gonna just watch it because 1050 macro though is coming in 6 minutes. Appreciate it, Thorough. Yeah, I just saw you. I saw you. I saw you. That's what's up. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, we be active, man. We was trading Asian session last night. I'm gonna try to do it at least like 2 or 3 times a week. And sometimes I won't even trade. Sometimes we can just talk. You know, we don't have to trade all the time, but you know, I'll be looking at the charts. So that little itty bitty little pill pullback it just did, really? That itty bitty little pullback that it just did just now. Anybody trade order blocks and breakers or breaker blocks? I think this right here on ES would be considered a breaker block if I'm not mistaken. They trade Asian session, and, yeah. You'll be surprised, man. You'll be surprised with Asian session. You would be surprised. You got to have. I gotta show you that my Asian session strategy. Well, I'm not gonna no trade for me. I'm not about to be sitting here 3 minutes until the macro. Or what it probably possibly might do is reject this 2-minute gap right here and drop. But I don't like the way it just kept going up and it did this mini pullback. I don't like it. I'm not liking. I mean, I like the fact that it broke the low and it took off, but it really didn't give a true displacement to push down. Like it did this little mini one right here on the 1 minute. Like I'm not buying that. I mean, wait, yeah, on the 1 minute, this little mini pullback. Yeah, I just don't think. Yeah, just grab one nice trying to eat pets for the day. I check all the last 3 months. Okay, Catherine. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. That's what I need to learn more of. I think I understand the approach, but as far as like implementing it in taking trades, I just don't quite understand it all the way. So that's why I just trade, you know, when it takes a high on the low. DXY chart. I used to look at DXY. It's right here. I used to use it as a confluence. Because what I noticed with myself, if I have so many things going on, it's like I just get overwhelmed. So I try to keep it simple with my setup, and I'm not trying to overcomplicate it. That's just me personally, though. I try not to overcomplicate it. I just don't want to overcomplicate it. You know what I mean? Well, it's obvious that it's not really trying to pull back down in here right now at this second. Yeah. Yeah, but I just think the way it pushed up, like it should have pulled back, especially on the 5, like it should have pulled back into this 5-minute gap, but I just needed more of a pullback. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what's really going on. What's happening? Look at that evening star pattern right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. Based off of how it's taken. Catherine, are you in the Discord? What's up, 80 Trades? I do have two screens. I do. Ooh wee. At 10 a.m. on a 1 minute grave. Yeah, see, that's why I said I don't know too much. I feel like it could have been an order block entry with all of this, because it definitely wasn't a fair value gap entry for sure. No, it's not private. It keeps saying that. I don't understand why it keeps doing it. It keep expiring. That's not the first time. Expire never. Max number of users, no limit. I don't understand. That's crazy. They keep expiring the link. Yeah, you see it? I might get that 5 minute fill. Yeah. That's what I'm waiting on, baby. That's what I'm waiting on. It's 5 minute fill. The cap is real. Oh, boy, Nas be capping, boy. E-mini side. I can't. I'm not ready for that. Oh, thank you, Catherine. Thank you for watching. I wouldn't mind seeing your approach with the order blocks, because I really don't trade order blocks. You knew? Okay, thank you. I'm about to post my Discord link again. I'm not understanding why it's expiring. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'll figure that out, but I just posted it again. I might get my 5 minute fill, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might put a buy stop right here. If it tanks through it, it is what it is. I mean, not buy stop, buy limit. Yeah. I see it. I see it, Catherine. I see it. We are up in this thing again. It's happening. Oh, that song in my mind. Even though he stole it from Soldier Boy. Soldier. Soldier. Okay, so 50 ticks. How much is that? Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. Pump your brakes. Wait a minute. I need to risk 3. I need to risk less, because I already took a L earlier. So 3. Okay, 3. Okay, yeah, 300. Duh. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Because the way it's pushing down, I don't want to get caught up in it just tanking through it. Okay, thank you, Joanne. Okay, Catherine. I don't know why. That's what I'm saying. I'm new to all of this Discord crap. It's just, mm, it shouldn't be expiring. I have it to never expire, but it keeps expiring. Yes. I'll figure it out later, guys. I'm not gonna leave. I'm not gonna leave until I figure that out. That's crazy, but I don't want to. I don't want to miss it. You gonna wait with me, man? Tell me. Stand when the song is in my head. It just won't stop. Yo, I know what's going on the 4-hour thorough. It took out both of them. It took out both of them lows and it rejected hard, hard, and it's some equal lows on the daily time frame down here that it can possibly target. Possibly target. The daily candle is bearish. I'm gonna just wait, man, cause I think liquidity is residing on um the equal lows, even though it's so far. Even though it's so far, I feel like it's gonna take out. It's gonna dump all the way down there. Yeah, I canceled it. It's just the way it's coming down, man. I don't know. He might have. I don't know. He's talking about the bot. Oh, my risk to award. It's the unhappy trader here on YouTube. The unhappy trader. He went live today too. So if you just go to like one of his videos, he'll have it in his what do they call it? Not the comment section, the freaking post or whatever. You'll have it in there. The unhappy trader. That's where I got that's where I got this risk chart from, and that's where I got this trade journal from too. I just wanted to kind of do an overall. It's the unhappy trader, and they're cheap too. They're not expensive at all. It's like $6, six. Yeah. But I think like the overall price is like $12. So either way, it's not expensive at all. It's not over $20 for both of them. I think the trade journal was like it wasn't high, so it was affordable. I don't know, y'all. It might. I don't know. I mean, I wanted to buy off this 5-minute gap. It still hasn't touched it yet. I wanted to buy off of it, but just looking at the sell pressure and just looking at ES over here, it's just looking bearish. I'm not gonna lie. It's just looking real bearish. Because if it was gonna buy, it would have been. I feel like it just would have been took off. But it left that. It left this imbalance. I just don't want to be hopping in sales just to hop in, just because I'm not doing that. Yeah, see, that's why I canceled that buy stop, man, because the way it was coming down. Okay, paper pusher. That was 120? No way. Yup, it sure was. This card of burst out of 15 minutes. I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, cool. Was it 15 minutes? Are we talking about this right here? It's 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm just not, I don't like it. It's like I see it's moving, but it's like, it's just not giving me what I want. I wanted to reject off of this 5 minute, but the way price just came down, the volume is mm-mm. It's just one of them days where it's just everything, I'm missing everything. Post what in my Discord? Oh, we talking about the, okay, I can do that. Oh, you welcome. Not at all. What you talking about? I'm sorry. Oh, okay, you welcome. Yeah. I don't like it, man. I already done took a L. I ain't trying to. The damage has been done. 358. Lost 358 on this one and like 4 or something. I don't know if I want to take this risk in this price action. It's just too seek and destroy-ish. Yeah, it has been, especially on the daily. It's like a wedge on the daily from at the top of it. I mean, I can take a sell there because it's inverting it, but it done left. Yeah. Let's see, if I were to get in this, my stop loss would be right here. It'll have to be a sell stop though, not a market execution. You got to close below here for me to even think about getting in. And I think this based off like the, what time frame was I just on when I marked it up? Yeah, and it's a doji right there, so I'm gonna wait for it to close below this line if I think about getting in sales. It's okay, Reese. No, I didn't. I haven't traded on a funded account yet on my channel. Well, not streaming. I haven't. Yeah, it gotta close below here for me to think about getting in on that. Because if I would have just got in sales right here, market execution, you see what it's doing? I don't have time for all that, man. And then like last night, I had took a wedge setup when it broke the wedge, but then it didn't close beneath it. As soon as I got in, it reversed like that in a matter of seconds. So what I need to work on when it breaks out, I need to get in after it actually closes. I do like the way it's projecting off of that though. If this was my first trade, I would have went ahead and got in. But being that I already lost, it's like I'm being a little bit more cautious. Oh, that's that. Yeah, that's the 5 minute. Okay, I was just trying to figure out what gap that was. Playing another version. The inversion. This is a sale. Yeah, I have Top Step. I ended up buying another one. Did it close below that low? No, it did not. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? That's that crap right there. If I would have got in, it would have did that crap. But I do like these rejections though. That is showing that it wants to be bearish. And I'm tempted to go ahead and put a sell stop, but I just got burnt last night, and I ain't trying to get burnt again. I'll wait for this candle to close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm in, guys. And I ended up doing it anyway, even after it closed. It would have a bullish candle when I get in after all these rejections and close. After it unclosed below. It would do that. No, it changes my whole perspective because it freaking closed. I'm gonna be disciplined and set my stop loss here, bruh. What would it be? Buy stop?
Order filled.
Alright. I'm trying to, I can take off one right here. And take off one. Oh, wait. And I want to hold it. Oh. At least to the 50% of. Okay, 752.25. Close enough. Oh wait, I can just. Alright guys, my risk is set. If it stopped me out, it just stopped me out. It is what it is. It is what it is. And that's going to be my last trade. It's going to be lunchtime, and I really just hope it just go ahead and just push it down before lunch. Got about 42 minutes. I mean, 47 minutes, my bad. So, yep. You see my risk here. You see how many contracts I'm in. You see my TP. You see all of that. I'm showing everything. Y'all see everything here live. Yeah, it needs to. Yeah. But you got to be okay with the risk. You got to be. My risk is set. I'm not getting in and out. I'm going to let it play out, guys. That's part of being disciplined. You get in a trade. You set your stop loss. Hands off the mouse. Just let it play out. Ooh, my hands are freezing. So we bouncing off of a bullish daily fair value gap. Let me see. Oh wait, that's a 4 hour. Oh yeah, it bounced here before. Yeah. Yep, you're absolutely right. It's bouncing off the 50%. Hopefully it'll go ahead and push through that, Catherine. What do they call it? Constant encroachment. Yep, hands off the mouse. Wait, I'm still touching it, but I'm just going through the time frames. But hands off the mouse, man. I'm not about to stress myself. Risk is set. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. You feel me? Last trade of the day, guys. The goal of me streaming is to not give signals. I gotta put that thing on my. I gotta put that risk disclosure before I trade. I mean, before I stream too. Yeah, you know, trade at your own risk. Trade at your own risk. Not need nobody saying, "Oh, you made me lose my funded account." Blase, blase, blah. No, I did not. I did. My finger did not touch your buy and sell button, ma'am or sir. How much are you risking? 273. That's it. Well, on this, it's basically the same thing for this and for on TradingView. That's all I'm risking. That's it, man. Oh, on ES too? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's probably they correlate the same. And that's an old fair value gap from November the 6th. Oh yeah, it already done bust through that thing on ES though. Through the 50%. I've come to terms that if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm not stressing. I'm risking 270 something. Let my account to be at like as long as it's not below 49,000, I'm straight. I feel like. But I'm just I'ma just let it play out, man. Yeah, please not do that. Yeah, I've been saying from day one, I'm doing this to really show the real with trading and to show, you know, the real basically with trading. So showing you guys my P&Ls and all of that. Like you see my P&L, I don't have nothing to hide. I'm down for the day. It is what it is. I don't have nothing to hide. I don't claim to be a guru or nothing like that. I'm just like y'all. I'm just like everybody in this chat. You feel me? I don't claim to be better than nobody in here. We all the same. We all human beings. Good morning, Small Trade. You new here. Welcome, welcome. And I need to figure out what's going on with my Discord link. I've accepted my risk, guys. Hands off the mouse. What's up, Jay Jackson? That's another day one. What's up? What's up? There was another daily fair value gap below. Yeah. Yeah. See you sold. Yeah, I did. Never expire. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. I don't know why I keep freaking expiring. Alright, I just put the Discord link in there. Let me know if it let you guys get in or not. I don't understand why it's doing what it's doing. I don't have it expiring, so my bad. Shoot, Michelle, you need to have your own channel on how you scout in the Discord, cause what's up, Thorough? Okay, I see y'all. I see y'all. Got some wins in the chat. Ooh, that's what's up. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's still not working. Bruh. Hold on, man. See, I keep rejecting off of that 5 minute. Is that 5 minute cap? Yeah, it's inverting the 5 minute. We'll see. Looks like it's trying to go through it. Take me out again. It's my last trade. I'm not playing with Nas, bro. That's 11:22. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. Like, my hands off the mouse. I already accepted my risk. But I just got a feeling it's gonna stop me out and then push down. So you're screaming me in Discord? It's the Discord chat, guys. I'm trying to figure out. It says never, no limit. Like, am I tripping? Generate a new link. Copy. Okay. So now I go here. I don't know why I keep expiring it. So what is it saying? Like, is it saying you can't? Is it saying the link is expired? Like, what exactly is it saying? Didn't it say something like grant temporary permission? What does that mean? When you put it directly in, oh, when I put it directly in the chat. Okay. Something like temporary, grant temporary membership, temporary. Where you see that at? No, I don't have that marked on. We'll figure it out sooner or later. I think it's gonna stop me out and drop, y'all. I think that's what it's gonna do. I'ma still hold it though. I'm not gonna close it. I'ma still hold it, but I think it's gonna seek and destroy my entry, and then it's gonna drop. I mean my stop loss. and then drop. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Michelle. I don't know. Just let me know. I don't want to be looking at them small candles, bro. I just need to see it. I haven't favored thorough, but it's just like, man, many be doing that crap, man. I'm like, man, it's gonna stop me out, bro. Okay, thorough. I have so many questions. You say you traded on your live account today. You should have had longer, but your profit targets are $400 or more. Not bragging, it can be more broken. So you use AMP. How is AMP? Interesting, thorough. How is AMP though? I heard about AMP. I think ICT actually traded on AMP. I don't know if we still do though. That's what's up. That's my goal, is to trade on trade live. I don't want to be. I don't want to get so used to trade. I was just talking about that last night in our Asian session. Last night, it's like I don't want to get too comfortable in trading on prop firms. I want to be able to trade live, and I really think that's probably something I just need to just do, because all these mistakes that be happening is like I'm thinking, okay, I could just pay $49, get another one. But I feel like it'll shift me, and maybe it'll make me a better trader if I actually put money in a live account. But it's like I don't want to be putting $200 and $300 in there. You know what I'm saying? Decent $30 of withdrawal fee. Okay, so when you put the money in there, um do it right then, because you know Tradeovate takes 3 whole days when you put money in there. Like, how long does it take after you done deposit it in your account for it to show? And what's the minimum you can deposit in there? Well, I know. Well, you know, if you're trading futures, you can't go in there with no 250. You got to at least put like 500 in there. We start with 10K. Oh, that's what's up. Same day with Wire. Okay. Same day. What? With AMP? When you deposit it, right? You deposit and you can use a card. You don't have to do Bitcoin. A few hours. I don't know. I might do AMP. So what platform do AMP use? Do they use yeah, I think they on TradingView. I think I did see something. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, cool. Cool. I might look into that. Because Tradeovate takes so long, man. It takes so long. When I put money in my account, I want to trade at least the next day. It takes 3 whole days, man. Okay, bad. Don't do ACH because they keep your funds for 10 days before you. Ooh. TradingView, okay. Come on, dog. Why do you keep your funds for freaking look at my pen now. Same day with Tradeovate. I just wired. So if you do a wire with Tradeovate, What you talking about there? Look at my. Yeah, I lost a trade this morning. It was like 358. 358. Yeah, I'm in the same trade on I'm in the same trade on Top Step. Yeah. I'm holding, bro. I'm trying. It did just take these lows to the left. To the left, to the left. We got 1150 macro. Hopefully that macro pushed it on down. Okay, so I might so when you do a wire transfer for Tradeovate, it'll do it. You trade the same day. Price consolidate between 5-minute gaps, and this is torture. Yeah. This one and this one. I just didn't mark this one because I don't want it's too much on my charts, bro. But it's some equal lows on that daily time frame though, and on ES down here. There's relative equal lows down there. I think that's the draw, to be honest, right now. I think these equal lows is the draw for the rest of the day. Hopefully you don't do no crap and keep consolidating and go back up in that range. Yeah, I think this the draw. I would love to hold that though. I'm not gonna lie. That's why once I get myself settled and everything, it's like I want to be able to hold trades like over the weekend, like we're trading on a forex broker, and just like put like 500 to 1,000 in there, and like this type of trade pop like a 10 lot or something. I mean not a 10 lot, a point 10 or a 0.5 or something, and just like 0.05 and just kind of let it just go. But yeah, man, that's a whole different mindset when you trading on live funds, man. I'm trading live, that's a whole different psychology, mental game. Let's eat. Zero draws 810. Okay. Oh yeah, my verse today was Psalm 27 and 1. I read that earlier this morning. Rock-a-bye, baby. What y'all doing for the weekend? What's y'all plans for the weekend? I watched two. I kind of peek in from time to time. Tanya trades and Tyler trade. I see Tyler. He took the same trade I took. Tanya, I don't think she's streaming. And she said she had to take a flight. You know, they got some stuff going on. Like they was stopping flights or something like that. Like it's so much going on in the country. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Fires, wildfires going on. Y'all just be safe. Stay prayed up, man. I'll be safe out there. There's some crazy stuff going on in this world. That's why I be in the house. I be in the house. only time I leave the house if I have church or I'm going to get groceries or I'm going to a family member house. Other than that, I'll be inside. Not saying because I'm scared, but I mean, I just really don't be outside like that, honestly. Alright. Hopefully it takes me out with this one contract. It let you thorough. I ain't gonna lie. I do be having urge, especially on Top Step. I don't know now. It's like with days with news, they don't tell me prices. I really feel like price gonna freaking hit these equal lows down here on the daily. The way it's moving for the rest of the day. It's still early. ES done took out my high time frame internal sell side. .9 minutes. Yeah, it's farming at SMT. Yep. Let me go to the. Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was up. I don't even know how much I was up, but I was gonna take one off at this low, but of course it didn't. It didn't get there. Like I said, I mean, it is what it is. I set my stop loss, set my take profit. Why I ain't closed? I mean, I really was waiting for it to take out this doggone low. Look at the 1 minute. Look at the freaking 1 minute. Boom and bust. But it's like at the beginning of the trade, I was accepting it. Gotta accept it. Oh yeah, this hammer right here. That was your only confluence? They stopped out, yeah. Y'all make me want to be a scalper, bro. Cause I be having good trades, but it just don't last. And I feel like if I scalp, I'll overdo it. Yeah, it's gonna end up stopping me out. Cause it already came here before and stopped and dropped. So now it done took out these highs over here, equal highs. So it might go ahead and push on up. I don't know. It probably was. It was probably like two. It was probably like, yeah, it stopped me out on top step. It is what it is. Yeah, but it's like it was only what 50, 51 ticks. Okay, yeah, that was a good amount. That was 50 ticks right there. Yeah. But 50 ticks on a 3. Yeah, it was 300. But I accepted my loss. Oh well. I thought I had the same stop loss on top step. What it is? 284. I mean 984.75. Oh nah, it was down a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, I had pushed it down. I put it up just a little bit more. Yeah, I should have had the same freaking stop loss. We'll see, man. I mean, like I said, I accepted. I accepted the loss when I got in the trade. I didn't move my stop loss. I kept it on there. I got stopped out early on Top Step though. I didn't set it at 284. I set it at like I mean, not, I don't know why I keep saying 284. I set it at like 981 and not 984.75 like I did on here. Let me put the preacher in it. Oh, you feel the same way? Which part, Reese? Do you prefer New York or Asia? I prefer New York. But I mean, Asia session, like it be giving some good setups. You just gotta know when to get in. I use the high and the low between 6 and 7, and I take the body of the 6 p.m. candle for the like draw. That's what I do for New York. I mean, Asia session. All right, macro, push it down for me, or not. It's doing the complete opposite. I'm not moving my stop loss. I'm gonna keep it there. Trying to use proper risk management and discipline. Thank you, Michelle. Appreciate it. Man, y'all ain't gonna lie, y'all be making me want to scalp though. But that was 50 ticks. That was 50 ticks. I could have closed. But I'd be true to my freaking. I think that's kind of like my downfalls. I be true to my take profit. Sometimes I take it, sometimes I don't. What's up, Nick in the Hood? What's up? You say broke 1 minute structure to the upside. Yeah, it definitely broke it for sure. by taking out these highs. Replacing to 1 minute order block. See, that's why I need to study is order blocks. Hold. Yeah, I accepted my loss, y'all. I accepted it. If I lose, I lose. I mean, but I'm holding though. I'm not moving my stop loss or nothing. I'm gonna hold it. It took me out of my my trading view. I mean my top step trade. It was my stop loss was supposed to be at 984.75, but evidently it should have been here. That's how I got stopped out on there. Need to be true. Okay. Amen. Ticks. They're basically the same thing. Ticks, points, pips, all of them the same thing. I just say ticks because that's the futures way. That's the futures term. Forex, pips, points. I just found out about points, but man, it's all the same thing. It just depending on what you're trading, really. Yeah. It's like you can see so many things, but like my wrist chart. Thank you. Yeah, cause news do be having it move crazy. Like you'll see on a normal day, non NFP day, price will move in a direction, and then it'll be just fine. But news is like it changes everything, or it'll go ahead and hit that zone on the 1 minute. Yep, S&T right here. Yeah, it's slick is. It just tapped into this gap and not this one. But I'm gonna hold it. I'm true to my setup. I'm not moving my stop loss. You gotta stop me out. Somebody said something else. Yeah, man, I be trying to be true to my analysis, man. I try. But I can work on, like, I could have took that though. I'm struggling so hard with that, man. I think 20 price can go to 2,800. Yeah, it has multiple reasons to go down there. Amen. Can't find the chart. What chart? Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm struggling I'm struggling so hard. If you've been following me and you in my Discord, like I've been struggling so hard with that. I be in a good trade. I'll have a good setup, but it'll go against me, and then I end up losing it. Or sometimes I'll take a partial and instead of the break even. Like it's like I'm struggling with that bad, man. I really am. I could be woman enough to say that I'm not trying to hide nothing. I'm not trying to show you guys nothing fake. Like this is real. Like this is real. I'm a real person. Oh yeah, free Discord in the chat and in my bio. Well, I don't know because I think the link has changed now. But let me know if y'all can join or not. It will be a paid Discord starting on Monday. So if you want to get in the free Discord community, the link is in my chat. We be doing Asian session. We're gonna start doing a whole lot more. But I'm gonna tell y'all too. I will be taking breaks because sometimes you gotta take a break from the charts and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so that's why I like streaming, because I can see it from other perspectives on what I can do better too. You know, can you share how did you do your risk? Try to be looking to do something like that. You talking about the this right here? Yeah, I got this from the Unhappy Trader on YouTube. The un the Unhappy Trader. Just look at one of his videos and he'll be in his like video description. Yeah, that's what they call it, description in the video. It helps me a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it keeps me in check. Like how 46, 3 contracts. You're basically, they have micros, they have minis, they have ES, they have, I don't even know what that is. They have gold. I don't know what, I think that's crude oil. I think, and then US 30. Like, say if I'm risking 46 ticks, I'll go to 46 and say like 3 contracts. That's 276 that you're risking. So it just puts an idea of how much I want to risk. It's like $6. It's not much. It's not much at all. It might be $12. It might, I don't know, but I know when I got it, it was like $6. So it's affordable. And he has another one that I'm just going. I don't care if I'm on the funded or whatever. Whatever trade I take, I'm gonna put it in here, and it basically tells you, how many trades you win, you lost. I mean, it tells you everything, man. New York session, Asian session, the month. I mean, it's just this what I like right here. It shows you how much you making in a day. Of course I gotta update this because I took some losses, but it shows you for the month. Like this January, February has all of that for the entire year, and you can see, you know what I'm saying, the overview. And this how you put everything here, and then these two are the overviews, and you don't have to really. It automatically updates this right here. So it's the Unhappy Trader here on YouTube. I don't even know him, and I'm promoting his job. That's why I'm saying I promote. I don't mind. I don't mind. Like, we all here together. We all a community. But yeah, that's basically what I use. It helped me a lot, man. For real, it helped me a lot with my risk. At least it gives me an idea of how much I want to risk. Two contracts. Yeah, man. All right, man. Gotta focus here. I already know this was 51. I'm gonna watch it this time, y'all. I'm gonna watch it this time. Let me go to the 1 minute, bro. Hold on. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's 10 more minutes in this macro. Let me see if it's gonna take this low right here that it rejected off earlier. I'm gonna set it to break even now. But at least minimize my risk, because it can still come up here and tap into this gap right here. So I'm gonna let it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm taking a little bit more risk off the table this time, being that it done freaking did all that crap. I wanted to come down here and take out this low. That's what I wanted to do, at least. If not, then I'm gonna go ahead and hop out. But so I end up moving my stop loss down, minimizing my risk. I'm only gonna give it until this fair value gap right here to do whatever the heck it want to do, and then That's the only room I'm gonna give it. And that's still too much for it to go back up there. But if I want to hold this trade long term or for the rest of the day, like, I really want to try to hold this. You want 5? You want 5 top step counts? Let's go. Same. End up blowing an account. Oh, 5 contracts. Yeah, that'll do it. That's how much I was risking earlier. That's why I had to risk 3 this time. That's another thing I'm learning too. Like, when you get in big on that first trade, you take that second trade, you gotta take, move that risk down some. Don't use that same 5 contracts. That's why I went down to 3. Because that's an easy way to blow your account. Like, easy. Okay, so it's rejecting off of this gap. I needed to push lower. That's right. Apex. Yeah, I trust the hell, yeah. Any day and twice on Sunday. I never traded with Apex. I don't trust them. I've seen like a couple videos people say they didn't pay them out, but then some people be like, well, they don't know how to trade. They didn't obey the rules, so they complain and said he didn't get a payout. But still, it's too many. It shouldn't be nothing on nothing. If you're a legit prop firm, it shouldn't be nothing on nothing saying that they didn't get no payout. I ain't never seen no video on YouTube saying that Top Step didn't pay out nobody. But Apex have videos about that? Come on now. No, absolutely not. That's just my perspective though. That's just me. If you're a legitimate business, you should not have nothing on any type of platform saying that they didn't get their money. Period. I don't care how many rules you have. You still shouldn't have people on here saying that they didn't get paid. That's why I don't really trust Apex. Yes, their promotion's good and Gucci and all of that, but I just don't trust them. You gotta be careful who you invest your money with these days, because these prop firms, they'll take your money and dip. Easy. And don't think twice about it. All these prop firms that went down, that's one of the main reasons why I switched to futures anyway. It's Forex. First of all, MT4 alone was enough for me to be like, you know what? I'll go ahead and switch to futures real quick. It's more regulated than any Forex broker. You take your money or stop loss and profit. If it breaks above that gap. You're right. Talking about this gap right here. Okay. Oh, shit. It's my first Apex payout. I'm trying to see if they'll pay me out. Yeah, man, come back and let me know. Hold. Come back and let me know, Tabs. You in the Discord? I really want to know. Because it is some people out there that use Apex, but I don't know, man. The first platform I ever used was Top Step, and I never had a problem with them ever. Yeah, FT Mode, they were lit, but I don't think they accept USA customers no more. Last time I checked. Yeah, it's risk free. Is it? Oh, okay. 3 minutes left in this macro. Woo, Lord. That's just ugly, bro. But see, the thing that be pissing me off, it do all of this, and the next I know, around 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, that job be done tanked. Bogey. Let me see what Bogey did. Oh, I look on my phone. Yes, sir. That's right, Bogey. Bogey, you in the chat? Discord be lit. People be making some bread, bruh. That's what's up. You in Canada? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. What's up, lamp trays? Oh, I took a L earlier. Let me show you my P&L. Well, because I'm in this trade, but I was in drawdown like 358 on my first trade, and then on my top step, I would have still been in this trade, but I had my stop loss closer down, so I'm just gonna leave this alone. I'm just gonna leave this alone. I'm gonna do it for an hour. I'm just gonna leave this alone because, yeah, my stop loss was like right here, and it should have been a little, yeah. This the same trade on my funded futures right here, but I got stopped out on top step. I didn't have the same stop loss. So it is what it is, though. It is what it is, man. I have to learn not to sit there and dwell and be angry. I'll be like blow like, man. But it's like, as far as being angry and being like pissed off and throwing stuff, it's like I had to learn to just like let it just roll off my shoulders, because they'll mess with your mental health. Leave me alone for an hour. Yeah, throw, it's the same trade. No, I couldn't hit that all day button. Yeah, it's the same trade, thorough. I just had put my stop loss in profit though. I ain't want it done. That big candle. What's up? Too much money, Marco. It is. Ooh, I almost hit that sell button. The power of 3 indicator. It's this right here by Tudor Grease, right here. Yes, sir. Ooh, that's what's up. Yep, John Dope. Yep, you're absolutely right. Psychology the most important. It really is. That's what's up, lamp trades. That's what's up. On a live. Tabs, yeah, so far so good. The only thing you can only use 5 contracts though. That's it. You can only use 5 contracts. You can't use no more than 5. Combat. Okay, that's what's up. Wait, you made 1900? You took a loss earlier? You know you got that 50% rule. You're going to make 15. Be careful with that because you're going to have to make more than. But yeah, this is my P&L for my funded features right here. It didn't update, so that's why I say that $3 right there. It don't update until like the end of day. There's 30 people in there. What's up? What's up? Tell me where you from if this is your first stream. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Have a free Discord. It will be paid starting Monday. It's in the chat. I think it's thirsty to come in here and get into this 1 minute for value gap right here. I think that's where it's trying to. Into that 1875. You must be trading Forex. Jamaica. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Jamaica, Jamaica. I'm on my first eval account with Top Step on the live account. What? That's impressive, Catherine. That's what's up. That's dope. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not ready for a live account yet. The only way I say I'll be ready is if I put the same amount. I put the same amount that I'm trading off of on these combines, like 2,000. Jamaica, Jamaica. Your tabs, you trading no, you say you trading Top Step. Yeah, they got to be. Unless you got in like super early up here. You said 2118 75 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Yeah, I'm out. Whatever. I ain't got time. I ain't got time. I feel like it's just gonna pull back up into this. I got out. I closed it thorough. I'm going right back into that consolidation, bro. It would have hit my break even. I mean, not my break even, but my stop loss and profit anyway. And it's trying to come back up here and tap into this. Alright, that's it, guys. My stomach growling. Already partial. This low get taken. I probably got out prematurely, but I'm tired of holding it. And it's like a W. Alright, guys. That's it for me for the day. I feel like I'm mentally drained right now. So much mental capital has been burnt. So that's it for me for today, guys. If you want to get in the Discord, we gonna be active. Have a lot of plans. We had an Asian session. So far right now I'm doing Asian session trading, and I'm not gonna always trade though, because I don't want to be, trading all the time. I thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for tuning in with me and chilling with me, all 23 of you guys. God bless you all. Appreciate y'all for your advice and everything. I'm still learning. I still have stuff that I need to work on. So, but for me, it's more like your mindset, having a good mindset when you're coming into the charts and stuff like that. And yeah, but I do have my setup. It works. But it just really comes down to the conditions of the market. Yeah, I exited thorough. Yeah, Asian, man, I'm telling you, Asian, yes, Asian be yeah, I had got out. I got out. I chipped away at it. It was at 358, so I'm negative 224. Yeah. You keep blowing accounts. What is your advice? Um, Advice. My advice is, man, just keep going. Um, 30 people. We had 50 people last week. I think the week before last at one time. So yeah, I would just say risk management. Risk management. I say profits. I think that one, it was like 170 something. I'm not sure. I don't know how to look at the amounts on here. It just basically is like the total that I make. You know what I'm saying? It's just the total. That's what I don't like. It's kind of like with TradingView, but it's cool trading on TradingView because I look at my setups on TradingView, so it's kind of like a little bit more smoother. But I done got so used to Top Step that it's just night and day for me. Again, yeah, thorough. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I gotta figure this. I gotta figure out why my Discord link keep expiring. I gotta figure that out, like for real, cause this is crazy. Hold on, on tabs. Hold on. I'm gonna have to keep freaking. Oh yeah, that's right. Certifications. Yeah, you're right. It was just working. Somebody just joined at 12:13. I don't understand. I don't know if it do it for every person that invite get in, and then it freaking do it again. Like I don't know, bro. I'm about to post it again, tabs. It seemed like when somebody join, and then it'll expire after they join. I don't know why it's doing it, but yeah, it's going right back to my entry, y'all. You see that? It wanted to tap. It just had to tap into the 1 minute gap. It just had to do it. I ain't playing with that. So many mental capital has been burnt, y'all. I am exhausted mentally. But my advice is just to Stephen, is just to not risk as much. You know what I mean? Just journal your trades. Take screenshots. Figure out what it is, because I know what it is that I need to work on. My issues now, as y'all can see, my issue now is I hold my trades too long. Like I could have gotten out. I could have, I know what my issues are. I just need to tweak them and get better at doing those things. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's just good to journal your trades. You know what I'm saying? Like journal. Write down, even if you don't have like nothing like online, just have a notepad. Just be like, today, January the 10th, I did this. When I got in the trade, it didn't work out because it works. Okay, cool. I got in this trade because such and such and such. Like, just write everything out and then go back to it and then look at The one in my description. Okay, I'll change it. I'll change the tabs. But yeah, so that's the best advice I could give. And just use proper risk management the best way that you can. I'm not sure if you're trading live funds or you're on a prop firm. Still not working. All right, hold on, y'all. What's up, Baller Unit? What's up? Look at that crap, man. Look at that. Yeah, at least I made something back. But look at it. Look at it, man. I'm figuring out this Discord stuff, y'all. I don't want to leave without fixing it. Just bear with me. Okay, so it says double check server settings. Okay. The volume going? Y'all can't hear me? I mean, goodness gracious, what's going on? Y'all can still hear me? Everything just falling apart. Yeah, man. Thorough, you see that? It's gonna break this low. Watch. Watch. That is trifling, man. Send a random message on this. Man, bruh. So everybody that was trying to get in, are y'all in? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for clarifying that, Eamon. I was about to say. Just tapping into this gap. Okay, so everybody that was trying to get in the Discord, are you in? I want to make sure. I don't want to just try joining by phone. Okay. Okay. Okay, Joe. Cool, cool. I gotta look at the settings and try to figure out. Cause I set it for unlimited. Like it's not a limit to it, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, that's tripping. Yeah, it's time to get out. But I guarantee when I look at this chart later on, it's gonna be a dip like none other. You in? Okay, good, good, Tabs. Great, great. So I am going to update my link in my bio, and hopefully it don't be tripping, man. Cause I don't have, I just, it be so much, man. Alright, so hopefully it's working, guys. I updated it in my bio too. What the what? The what and the what? Danger, danger. Conjunction, junction, what's your function? Alright, y'all. Okay, everything should be Gucci with the Discord link. Everything should be good. We have 45 votes, 46 votes. Ooh, wee. That's a lot of votes. People coming in and out. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right. We in that afternoon price section right now. I have no desire to. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me. If you guys cannot get in the Discord, if you watching this video a replay, if you cannot get into the Discord, please don't hesitate to comment on the video. I'm still might try to figure it out. If I mean, it should be straight now, but I'm maybe something I'm not doing right. So just let me know. Just let me know if you can't get in, because the link will be expiring on Sunday as far as getting it for free. So it's gonna be $25 a month, because we gonna be getting active. Like, we already was trading agent session last night. We be in there for hours, y'all. We be in there for hours, chopping it up, talking about psychology, talking about everything. You guys can share your screens, share your whatever advice you have for, it's just a community to help each other out. You know what I'm saying? Because this trading game is very difficult. And sometimes, even though you have family members, they may not understand. They may be for you, they may support, but they don't understand, why keep losing money, and they're thinking, no, you just need to get a job. Like, no, they won't understand that we're really just trying to make a living for ourselves, and really just trying to be successful, and just be financially free, because at the end of the day, it's about being financially free, and taking care of our families. That's just what it's about, you know what I mean? And not really trying to go to somebody else's job. And these jobs are trash these days. The economy is trash, everything is high. Minimum wage is like $20 now. Back in the day, $20 was like, oh, yeah, you're rich. But nowadays it's like $20 and you're still living from paycheck to paycheck. Like, so anyways, I said all that to say, as far as that's what the Discord community is for. We're going to be active. We're going to have study sessions, the whole nine. If you have any suggestions, totally open in the chat. So I'm gonna make some adjustments. I'm gonna make the prop firm channel, and I'm gonna make the accountability channel. And I already have 2 people in mind to be moderators. Michelle and Grave. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that out there. Thank y'all. Y'all been supporting from day one. So yeah, those are possibly going to be the moderators for it. So yeah, so I love each and every last one of y'all. God bless you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy you guys weekend. Be safe out there. If you live in LA, I'm praying for y'all. It's a lot of fires going on, so prayers up, prayers up. Um, yeah, man, just stay prayed up. Pray for our country. Pray for our country, because we need it. We need the prayers. We need the prayers. How many trays I take in a day? I don't know. I don't know. I think today, if I go to my top step, 2 trays, but it's because I lost, so I didn't really trade too much. I don't know. It really depends. I mean, I don't really have a set amount in mind or anything like that. But yeah, have a good weekend too, Michelle. Refresh everything. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely gonna reset. And next week we're gonna be at it strong. I'm gonna just do a quick little preview of next week. Uh, no news Mondays are dangerous days to trade on, so I'm not gonna trade Monday. Um, yeah, PPI Tuesday, CPI Wednesday, core retails Thursday. I mean, next week is gonna be a lot of action. You know, there's gonna be a lot of accounts that's gonna be blown next week. But don't let that be neither one of you guys. Don't let that be you. Don't let it be you. Use proper risk management and do whatever you can do to preserve your risk. So, yep. So thank you guys for tuning in. You good. Keep pushing. Go eat. You already know that's what I'm about to say, Reese, right? Yeah, I gotta go eat, man. I'm getting the white mouth. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, yeah. So if you're in the Discord, I see y'all in the Discord. I'll be chatting it up with y'all this weekend. I don't know. I might do a pop up and do a study session. I don't know. Just be by your phones, and so you can be not notified. I mean, so you can be notified. But yeah, love y'all. Y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all sometime next week. Peace.
Entertainment. Entertainment.